Morning.
For 3 seconds. Okay.
Turn it on.
Plus and minus. Both gears have a limit of 25 kilometers per hour.
Maximum.
This is by law, but it's good enough. So you can cycle after like 1/3 of the cycle. The electric motor is here inside here. So after 1/3 of the cycle, it will start to deliver the power.
Okay.
Or you can use only the throttle. So if you use only the throttle, it's up to 50 kilometers. Pedal is go up to 80. So this is the front brake, this is the rear brake, and it's electronically connected with the engine. So if there's anything, you just press the brake, it will turn it off.
Yes. Ooh. E-bike, my friends. Hindi ko nga alam kung ano tawag dito eh. I'll try this.
It's called a fat bike, electric fat bike. Fat bike because the tire is fat.
Yeah.
Yes, that's the only thing. Here you have 3 speeds. So plus and minus, so 1, 2, 3. It's more powerful, okay? Also you have the manual Shimano gear. But otherwise you have this. Here you have more functions like...
Okay, let me try. Woo! It's more like a motorcycle. But I like this. Parang mas gusto ko to. Ito na lang. I like this better.
You like it more?
I like it more. Because of the height. By the way, my name is Jeff. What's your name?
Viet.
Viet.
Viet like Vietnam.
No, Viet.
Go back to the usual biking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero yung bagay sa'yo.
Which one do you like?
I like the black.
This one too.
It look like Batman.
See you guys in a while. Enjoy.
Yahoo! So, pupunta tayo sa Otay Lake. So, U-turn tayo dyan, ha? Okay. Okay. Turn right. Very enjoyable. Real. Yes. I love Vietnam. Oh, ang ganda ng bike mo, April. Fat bike, e-bike. Left, left, left. Target natin yung Otay Lake para hindi tayo madali. Uy, okay din yung suspension. Parang may something. Unang kanto right. Okay, kaya na yan. Kaya na yan. Huwag kang matakot. Okay, throttle. Ngayon o, tamo pag trinattle ko, nakakasabay lang ako sa motor. It is enough. 25 kilometers is enough. Padyak-padyak ka. Para ma-preserve mo yung battery. Burn course. Mahilig sila magbumusina pero hindi sila nang aaway ha. Ano sila, ganyan lang sila for warning. Pansin ko lang, dating personal, it's just that bibigyan ka lang nila ng warning. Bilis no? Mantakin mo may shifter pa yan. Oh, may shift. Ayun, nagagamit ko na yung shifter. Nagamit ko na. Alam ko na, gumagang. Oo. Bumibigat. Okay. Pag 7 mabigat. Nasa mababa yung sprocket. Ipirin natin yung baterya. Pero marami pa to. 80 kilometer daw to. Siguro kahit maikot natin ng 4 na beses ng Otay Lake. Ang ganda rin ng shocks. Malaki yung gulong. So you won't have an issue with the yung mga normal na lubak. Kasi parang ini-stabilize na yung tire because it's fat. On the right side, that's Otay Lake. And posibleng may daanan tayong isang tourist attraction here. Unlimited coffee shops. We have a lot. Dami rin nagpaparent ng mountain bike if you want na mag-ikot-ikot dito sa Otay Lake. Ayos ba? Napagod.
Ito feeling na walang, hindi ka napapagod. Ito pala yung
Yung pala feeling na naka-e-bike.
Pinag-bike ka pero hindi ka pinagpapawisan.
I like my bike. Tumigil lang kami. Napagod ako eh. Joke. Tingnan mo nasa unahan ko. Hotel like. Ito pala yung bike namin. Kita ko lang sa inyo. Ganda. Parang motorcycle ni Batman. May suspension din dito. Sa likod meron din. So kaya pala. Kala ko yung sa gulong lang. Tapos yung size ng gulong is 20 by 4.0. Yung handlebar parang pang BMX. Ito yung busina. Ito yung left sign. And may right sign din. And tapos ito naman yung throttle, no? Tapos yung on ito and off. And then ito yung talagang physical lithium ion battery here. And dito naman sa kabilang rear derailleur, na ganun mo, mabigat. Pero ano siya, stable, no? Stable, hindi ka basta-basta lilipad. Sa kanya naman, ganun din. Less, ano lang, walang signal, walang left and right signal. Pero halos same. Ilaw pa oh. Oh, ayun oh. On, off. On, off. Meron pang step nut. Pwede pang mag-angkas.
Pwede pala mag-angkas.
Pwede.
Sa'yo.
Hindi. So, pwede mag-angkas. Pero ang ganda rin ng itsura nun sa kanya. Bagay na bagay sa kanya yung bike eh. So, mga gustong manghiram nito, ang pangalan ng shop ay Vietnam E-Bikes, ha? Makikita nyo yun sa Google Maps. Doon sa pinagstayan namin, mga 300 to 400 meters. So, madali lang namin maisosoli at madali namin nakuha. Okay, let's continue our journey here. Woo! Napapansin nyo medyo smoggy. Kasi around dito sa may Hanoi, may mga factory dito eh. So possibly that is smog. Pero yung weather here ngayon, siguro mga nasa 20 degrees. Makukuha nyo dyan, tilapia. Kaya magandang nakaganito ka din, naka e-bike. Kunyari, ayaw mo magmotor, di ka marunong magmotor. Dito makaka-choose ka ng pwede ka mag-e-bike. Or let's say wala kang international license. Pwedeng ito yung isang options. Itong e-bike. Pero hindi ka rin masyadong pagod kasi malamig eh. Malamig. Tapos, yun nga, tinutulungan ka pa nitong e-bike. Konting padjak mo, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Ano, kamusta, April?
Nice.
Very nice.
Weather.
Nice weather.
Medyo smog.
Oo nga, smoggy.
So, hindi ko lang sure kung malinis yung ilalangap natin. Pero hindi ka naman mag-e-effort.
Oo. Yung?
Just do what you gotta do.
Yep.
Wala road courtesy. Wala rin ang mga personalan.
Wala. Ganyan lang talaga sila.
Oo. Bye. Wala masyado siguro road courtesy.
Wala. Kasi kumbaga, convention na kanila, warning lang na they're passing, pero hindi ka curse. Dito tayo ulit sa inner streets. dito along Hotay Lake. Napakaganda. Masarap magbike dito. Malamig. Naka-e-bike ka pa. Ayan. Dito tayo dito sa Zoa. Zoa Tea and Coffee. Pag may coconut coffee, yun nasubukan ko ha. Pero pag wala, latte. Yung mamaya madadaanan natin yung President's Palace and yung Ho Chi Minh Museum. Yay! Ito isa sa mga tourist spot here. Sarado pa ata. Ito yung nasa likod natin. Ito yung Chua Tran Quoc. Ito yung ancient Buddhist temple on an island. Okay, let's go na?
Yep.
Are you ready? So ngayon, punta na tayo sa Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. Excuse me. Thank you. Woo! Lamig! Fresh na fresh. The Presidential Palace on the right side. Woohoo! Wow! Ayan, sa likod natin, Presidential Palace. Yan yung museum, yan. Ho ho ho! Ho Chi Minh! Hanoi, Vietnam! Meron tayong kakainan, yung banh mi. Yun yung pinaka-last natin. Let's eat banh mi, first time. April na mag-guide sa atin papunta doon. Banh mi na ako. Famous banh mi 25. Hello. Igilid ako, ha? What is the best seller? Moi.
Cucumber curry and chili.
All.
Favorite coconut milk. One signature, one gravy pork belly.
Correct. Order na tayo. Battery ng e-bike natin kasi hindi gumalaw. Ganun pa din. Yung bike na yun yung isang mode of transportation na dito. Dito na magtatapos ang ating vlog. See you on the next video. G!